I'm a 25-year-old lady, currently doing my final year at university. I'm married with one child. I had a sponsorship from a relative for the first 2 years of school. I got married, then hubby took over. Fast forward, he is a provider, almost all necessities are catered for. So when we fight, he usually highlights that he is my provider. Recently something happened. We had a misunderstanding on a petty issue, nothing serious. During the quarrel, he spit on me twice. He told me I was useless. I found these words and gesture very degrading. I felt small. I remember crying so much. I cried so much. I come from a very poor background. He had a bit of a stable upbringing, not too wealthy but a comfortable one. I grew up being treated like nothing at school, teachers, other students and so forth, so it really hurts me that he too would do that to me. I have been bitter ever since. I feel angry for that. I never addressed the issue. I'm not yet working, but I'm doing some part-time at some local company to boost experience on my CV. I'm not getting paid much. It's only money enough for transport and lunch, if I should say. So financial independence andina. For those who might wonder what I am doing in life besides school, kindly advise me on this issue, guys. Air your views, maybe I'm being unreasonable. Ndibatsirewo kuti ndoita sei nemunhu uyu, because I'm thinking hangu kuti ndosiyana naye, because mamwe mashoko anondiudza anorwadza. Ndinombonyatsofungisisa kuti zveshuwa ndiye here munhu uyu wandakabvuma kuroorwa naye anondiita zvakadai, achindiudza mashoko ekuti zvoni ndinokuchengeta, saka unofanira kuteerera zvese zvandinotaura. Ndinokumbirawo kubatsirwa kuti ndoita sei, ndoshingirira here kana kuti ndotanga ndatsvaga basa then ndozomusiya, kana kuti ndongoshingirira pamwe zvichanaka sezvo vanhu vese vachingoti dzimba ndozvadzinoita. Ndoitawo sei naye hama dzangu?